How to update your name servers at Network Solutions. This demo assumes you have a domain name registered through Network Solutions and starts from their homepage. Now let's learn how to update our domain name's nameserver settings. Click Login to sign into your account. Enter your user ID and password to log in. Click My Domain Names to locate the domain name you want to update. Then click Domain Name Server (DNS) for your domain. Enter your new name servers, then click Continue. Confirm your changes by clicking Apply Changes. That's it! The domain name's name servers have been updated. Please note that it could take up to 24 hours for your new name servers to propagate and be recognized across the Internet. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to update your domain name's name server settings at Network Solutions.